Interstellar wind buffeting solar system changes direction after 40 years. Study finds vertical bracket science recorder. Share. Tweet. Share. Subscribe vertical bracket login. Biology. Geology space. Physics. Chemistry. Health. Paleontology. Earth. Weird. Interstellar wind buffeting solar system changes direction after 40 years. Study finds. The results are based on data covering 4 decades from 11 different spacecraft. Science recorder vertical bracket Stephanie Berkoulian vertical bracket Friday, September 6, 2014. New research, published in the journal Science yesterday, reveals that, over the last 40 years, particles streaming into the solar system from interstellar space have likely been changing their direction. The results, based on data covering 4 decades from 11 different spacecraft, help scientists map Earth's location within the Milky Way, which is crucial to understanding our place in the cosmos over time. Such knowledge will provide insight as to where we've come from in the past, our current location, and the future path on our journey through the galaxy. As well, scientists have also gained deeper insight into the dynamic nature of interstellar winds. This has major implications for the size, structure, and nature of the protective bubble that surrounds our solar system, shielding us from galactic radiation. According to Eberhard Mobius, the mission's principal scientist and co-author of the paper, it was unusual to discover that changes in interstellar flow occurred over such a short time period. Generally speaking, interstellar clouds are astronomically large. However, this finding provides insight into the dynamics at the edges of interstellar clouds. As Mobius puts it, clouds in the sky appear to drift along slowly, but the edges often are quite fuzzy and dynamic, and this could be an expression of similar behavior. The latest measurements of interstellar wind direction revealed that the direction differed from measurements made in the 1990s. This difference led the research team to compare these measurements to data gathered from 11 spacecraft between the years of 1972 and 2011. A multitude of sources were consulted to determine whether this was simply a case of newer instruments providing more accurate results or an actual change in wind direction. The various observations measure incoming interstellar wind based on 3 different methods. 2 of the spacecraft, IDEX and Ulysses, directly measured neutral helium atoms as they made their way through the inner solar system. The IDEX measurements occur close to Earth, while Ulysses' measurements were taken some 1.3 to 2 times further from the Sun. The final analysis revealed that the wind's direction from the most recent data did in fact differ from the direction obtained from earlier measurements, suggesting a change in the wind direction over time. According to Nathan Squadron, lead scientist for the IDEX Science Operations Center and co-author of the study, prior to this work, scientists struggled to understand why current measurements differed from those of the past. This discrepancy was finally resolved with the realization that we are moving through a changing interstellar medium. Did we miss something? Send us tips, press releases, or ideas for stories. tips@sciencerecorder.com. 13 stunning facts about the Sun. The 10 most powerful asteroid impacts in history. 17 images that will change how you view the universe. The 12 most extreme places in the planet. 14 photos that will change your view of Earth. The 21 strangest planets. Racing video game may race effects of aging on the brain. Fireball 20 times brighter than the moon blazes across skies in southeast. CDC, 1 in 4 U.S. deaths from heart disease preventable. LEGO releases first female scientist. Climate change may reduce superstorm threat to U.S. Atlantic coast, according to new study. Bizarre alignment of planetary nebulae discovered by Hubble. Tweets by @SCIENCERTCORTER. Home, about us, contact, terms of service, privacy policy, copyright Science Recorder News. All rights reserved. Unregistered software only, convert part of file.